So it would need something that does at least 10% per year. So if you have any suggestions, hit me up and let me know, and I'll be happy to separate a little bit. If Bitcoin, for example, had crashed again and come down to a level of the 10K it was a while ago, I would probably have put the money in there, just because it is a bit risky, yes, I agree, but at the same time, seeing how it has gone over the years, it's still a stable. It will go up to 60K again, so that would have been a great investment for me, and I would have tolerated that risk. I would have taken that risk. But what else is there? I mean, give me your ideas. Maybe there are some other like Loan Buddy, or I don't know, some kind of crowd funding or crowd lending or crowd investing platforms that you recommend, and let me know, and I'll happily take a look, and we'll see what we can do from there. Yeah, cheers.